Hi, I'm Andrew Work for Next Change, and we're here at the close of EmTech, where they have just put genius and innovator after innovator on stage at the event. And I've got somebody who's leading in a very, very important sector right now. I have Robert Hsiung. He is the Managing Director China for Udacity. That's like Audacity without the A. And they are filling the gap in supply and demand for artificial intelligence in terms of training people and in a new sector. So hey, Robert, great to have you talking to us. Now you're kind of filling the gap between what traditional education doesn't supply and supply and demand in artificial intelligence. Can you tell me about what that gap is all about and how you're filling it in terms of training?
Great. So thank you, Andrew. I'm honored to be on this program. So as I've just mentioned during my speech in EmTech, there's a massive shortage today in AI talent, and that's generated by the fact that the number of jobs that are out there are growing at a 3 to 4x per year pace, whereas the number of talent, the number of people that have the skills to be able to fulfill these jobs is only growing at around 1 to 2x. Okay. Now, the reason for that is threefold, really. Number one is that a lot of the academics that can do AI are being recruited away by the top companies.
Like in other industries, they train the trainer, but in AI, they poach the trainers.
They poach the trainers, exactly. I mean, so companies like Tesla, companies like Google, companies like Tencent are hiring entire departments out of schools. And that's really putting a drain on our traditional education system, ability to train these students. Right. The second major factor is that the AI technology is just changing on such a rapid pace that it's really difficult for traditional universities to keep up. And the third major reason is that AI requires a different skill set than the average programmer. So I think Android and the mobile internet was pretty easy because it was just switching a programming language. But AI requires a significant sort of a different way of thinking. It requires a lot of skills in math and statistics and linear algebra to be able to really become a really great AI engineer. Right. And so at Udacity, what we've been doing is basically producing what we call nano degrees over the past 7 years. Okay. And each of our nano degrees, actually, we work with the leading company in the field. So companies like Google, like Amazon, like IBM, like Baidu, to really develop cutting edge curriculum that teaches skills that are being used in the industry today. Right. Okay. And
very hanseatic league with the guilds almost.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. Exactly. Okay. So that's it's exciting programs, and these programs help students really master skills to become AI engineers and fill this gap.
Fantastic. Hoping you guys are filling the gap. But there's another sector which is also desperate for coders, programmers, engineers, and that's blockchain, something Next Change looks at a lot. I understand you guys are doing something in that space as well. Can you tell me about that?
That's right. And so if the AI shortage, if the talent shortage in AI is bad, blockchain is worse. It's 4 times worse. Okay. So I'm sure that all those blockchain companies out there, it's really difficult to find blockchain engineers.
So what are you guys doing?
And so we were really excited to, just last week, we worked with Ethereum, Hyperledger, and Blockchain Foundation to launch a blockchain nano degree program globally, which is something that we're really proud of and excited for.
Okay, excellent. We'll be looking for, so you've just launched it, so we're going to wait and see how it all works out. Are you good? No, you're the Managing Director for China.
That's right.
Are you rolling out these programs in China or only in the United States or around the world? How does it work?
So all of our nano degree programs are global, actually. And so as the Managing Director of China, our goal is to bring these programs into China, localize them, and enable Chinese students to be able to take these courses.
Okay, sounds great. Where can I send people to find out more?
Go to udacity.com and you can log on and enroll in nano degree today.
Okay, that's great. We'll include those links at the bottom of this video. My name is Andrew Work for Next Change at the EmTech conference. I'm talking to Robert Hsiung, the Managing Director for Udacity in China. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Andrew.
All right, cheers.